Forest River Blue Ridge 3025 RL for sale in Dayton, Minnesota 55327. Get ready to experience quality residential living right by the campsite with this 2014 Forest River Blue Ridge 3025 RL. This fifth wheel RV is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is 35.5 feet in length and comes with a creative floor plan that has 3 slide-outs and 1 awning, and sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Blue Ridge is exceptionally clean and comes with the convenience of self-leveling jacks and plenty of storage space. This 2014 Forest River Blue Ridge 3025 RL fifth wheel has everything you need to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This make and model RV, in excellent condition, does not come up for sale very often. It is equipped better than most comparable RVs in its class, has a spacious floor plan that is tough to beat and was built by a top-rated manufacturer using the latest aluminum and composite technologies. This RV is a very well-balanced unit and tows exceptionally well. The features on this RV are many. Great cooking area with a 3-burner stove and oven, large microwave center island with StoolRefrigerator/FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with chair seating FreezerDouble big screen television surround SoundDVD/CD/StereoQueen bed fold-out couch with air mattress new double recliner theater chairs large bathroom with walk-in shower washer/dryer HookupsMaster king-size bed full-size master closet/dresser to roof AC UnitsCental back and so much more. This 2014 Forest River Blue Ridge 3025 RL has been meticulously maintained and all mechanicals work perfectly with no leaks or issues. Perfect for anyone that wants to cherish every moment of their RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced very competitively, so don't miss out on this rare opportunity. Call today for more information on how you can hit the road with this unparalleled 2014 Forest River Blue Ridge 3025 RL.